Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I can show you how to change your site logo in WordPress using Elementor. If you are using to refresh your website look or update your brand, this quick guide will walk you through all the steps. So let's start with me. First, open the dashboard of your WordPress, then scroll down, click on Appearance, then Customize. When you click on Customize, this type of dashboard appear in front of you. Now you can scroll down and click on Site Identity. When you click on Site Identity, this will be appear. Now you can see the black background picture will be shown. Now I want to remove it. It's a site logo picture. I want just like LinkedIn, Canva, show the sea. Now I want to change it so I can create the logo on Canva. So I can open Canva and create custom size of my logo. As you know, logo size always be on a specific range. Just I can choose a square 512 into 512, then this will be open. My logo is related to my brand Event Trend 365, so I want to create a logo of first letter of my website E. So I can find the I click on elements and then I type logo E. Multiple choice of E available on there. Now it's time to select my desired logo which I want. You can see multiple stylish logo available on there. I want static type of logo for my website, so I can scroll down and choose simple and static. So I can choose this. First I adjust it within the page size, and now I want to change the color of this logo, so I can click on it, click on change color, and then I can choose orange color because I want the orange color of my website. And after that I want to rename this picture. After renaming this picture, because it's good for SEO, and then I click on share, download, and download this. It successfully be downloaded. Now I can move toward the site logo upload file. I upload the download which I recently uploaded, and this look like this. It's exactly what I want. Now I can rename it again, Event Trend 365, 512 by 512 pixels. You can see. Now I click on select. After selecting it, you can see image convert black to blue orange, and then I click on publish. Don't forget to click on publish, and then I can refresh my website. Now you can see this logo site will be changed successfully. I hope you can understand. Thank you for watching.